In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enhance your Google Calendar experience by adding new calendars of interest. This is a fantastic way to keep track of various events, holidays, or even moon phases, all in one convenient location. So let's dive right in. First off, you want to open up your browser and head over to Google. Once you're there, look for the Google Apps icon, which usually appears as a grid or a square made up of little dots, typically found in the top right corner of the page. Go ahead and click on this icon. This will open up a drop-down menu showcasing all the amazing apps and services Google offers. Among these, you'll find Calendar. Click on Calendar, and this will take you directly to your Google Calendar dashboard. Once you're in the Google Calendar, direct your attention to the bottom left of the interface. Here, you will notice an option to add other calendars. It's important to take your time finding this because it's not immediately visible at first glance. Clicking on this will give you more options to expand your calendar's functionality. Now, a more specific step awaits. Click on Browse Calendars of Interest. This is where the magic begins, allowing you to add calendars that suit your personal or professional needs. You'll find a range of different calendar options available to you. Want to know when the next major sports tournaments are happening? Or maybe you're keen on knowing the phases of the moon or global religious holidays. Google Calendar offers a rich selection to choose from. These categories are thoughtfully curated so you have the flexibility to add only what matters to you. It's really about personalizing your calendar to make it work best for you. If you're particularly interested in regional holidays, there's a straightforward way to do it. Simply click on Browse All under the Regional Holidays section. This will allow you to select holidays specific to your preferred country. It's a handy feature for planning around public holidays and knowing when long weekends might occur in different parts of the world. Now, once you have clicked on Browse All, you'll see a list of countries. Select the country that you are interested in. As soon as you do this, the relevant holidays will automatically populate your calendar. And just like that, you're all set. That's it. You've successfully added calendars of interest to your Google Calendar. This simple process can transform how you manage your time, providing insights and reminders for events that might otherwise slip your mind. I hope you found this guide useful. Personalizing your calendar helps ensure you always stay informed and organized. Feel free to explore more and tailor your Google Calendar even further. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.